Welcome back to Prince TV. For those of you when you like and never subscribe, when I try to subscribe so that they get my updates anytime I post my video, you see how it happen. For this particular video, we'll not waste time. We'll just do everything sharp when I see how it happen. So, alright, moving straight forward about Nigerians who went to Spacha. One thing when I go make you understand for this particular video be say, because I hear many people they talk and say, why it be like saying now only Nigerians they go to Spacha. Guys, not be only Nigeria they go to Spacha for this country one at the see so. We get Gambia. We get Senegal, we get Cameroon, we get Ghana. Many African countries where like say they for this Italy, so all of the dispatcher. You not get the one when no dispatcher. Now the one when the police see, now the one when the police see, now that one they go bring come out for board. You understand? So for those people where always they say why it be saying only Nigeria, not be only Nigerians, just that now the victim when they catch and they go bring come out for board. So now all African countries they do all this drug business for inside this particular Italy of a country where they see so. One thing where we will try to understand now be say why all these things be like this. Now because the way when the government they frustrate the immigrants when they for the country, now make it be like say the story can't be like that. Okay, now let's take for example now so person day for camp. At the end of the day, they not give the person documents. Before you know what they happen, they pursue that person come out for camp. Then this kind of person, which kind of feature or which kind of thing want make the person go they do, automatically go enter streets. And anybody when they enter streets, so you know what it be. You must start to do all those drug business of a thing. So we when be Africa would like say we do for the countryside, more not they try to like abuse ourselves or abuse our brothers and sisters. We should try to know the cause of it. You understand? Because if we talk about saying Nigerians every time Nigerians, not be only Nigerians. There are many people when like say they dispatcher. As I talk before, so now the one where the cars they go bring come out. So it to say maybe the government try to even give immigrants documents because this country people won't get documents and ones will never get documents. Now the one will never get now plenty pass. So if to say the government try to respond to the request of giving out documents, may they even see whether people no go find work do by themselves. Therefore, not they see say people go dispatcher. So guys, more not they get them for mind like that. So I just might give this point of view, more understand why people go dispatch and not be because of say most people who even day for street, they not like because they day for street. Now because they say live now, so it take on so make them day for the street. So guys, okay, ma give una the video, mona watch, mona see how it happen.
Di droga che se venduta al dettaglio avrebbe fruttato ben 2,5 milioni di euro. In manette sono finiti 6 nigeriani nulla facenti che avevano allestito una vera e propria centrale di smistamento della droga all'interno di un'abitazione nella zona industriale di Castelletto in Val Samoggia. Dopo alcune settimane di osservazione, controllo e pedinamenti dei 6 balordi che giornalmente facevano la spola tra l'appartamento e i vari punti di spaccio disseminati tra la provincia di Bologna ed altre città del centro-nord, i militari del comando provinciale della Guardia di Finanza di Bologna hanno fermato e arrestato i nigeriani. Uno di loro nascondeva 38 ovuli di cocaina nel berretto che indossava, mentre gli altri spacciatori ne avevano ingeriti complessivamente 53, come hanno mostrato gli accertamenti medico-diagnostici eseguiti dopo l'arresto. La perquisizione nell'appartamento, scattata subito dopo, ha permesso di rinvenire altri 1.114 ovuli tra eroina e cocaina, nonché più di 15.000 euro in contanti. Dalle indagini dei finanzieri, che sono comunque ancora in corso, è emerso che la droga era destinata principalmente alle piazze di Bologna e di altre città del centro-nord.
I don't see the video, Abi. So now that one I happen now, so maybe like so those guys go dispatcher. And normally we are not here to support anybody. We're not here to support say people go dispatcher. But my point of view, what make me bring this topic come here, now to make people understand, say not be only Nigerians dispatcher. If you come my city, you'll see Senegal, you'll see Gambia, even Ghana, you'll see them for inside streets where like say the dispatcher. So all the African countries when they dispatcher. So more not they give the name say na only Nigeria na dispatcher, not be only Nigeria. Now how life take come for people, individual as a person now so that they follow the life as I explain given now. So now so the matter take happen now since my let know. So without wasting time, more go straight to another news. We'll see as it take happen. Alright, this one I to give an update about the Brutai, our commander. When I see for you now, so this man that they see for you. Finally, Buhari don't go brutalize the man come up for power, go replace him with one of the Agbo man. So when they replace this man, so from Delta State, guys, when I see this update, I say, okay, fine, it makes sense because, you know, as it be, I'm going to see where that change go come. But if you see the way where boys stay, they rejoice, where the Nigerian army stay, they rejoice, say they come this leader, you go really know, say, brutal don't really brutalize the boys where they for grand now. So, for those of you when it be like, so I never see where these guys, they call they rejoice now. So, oh yeah, cheeky lele. And so the particular man when he be like say the country use replace this brutal now. So this man when they see for here now. So now from my state direct, from my own particular state direct. So now this man when they see for here for take come now. So he call the talk say go give security, go try to do best to give security and peace to the country. Guys, this thing is something when it be like on a very good day, it makes sense, but we never know how it will still be, whether the man go better pass brutal or whether brutal go better pass the man or we never know, but we'll see how the country go the day. But in tanto, waiting me know for that country be say, since when it be like say Buhari still there as the president, it go still hurt more because even the Buhari himself, he not good, you understand? So they need to change him as they change this man now. So alright, so now so the matter they happen, now see my let una know. But those of you when it be like so I never see where this our new chief of staff now come they give in statement say go give us peace and security. We are checking.
We just see Mr. President. And we're mindful of the demands, and we can only at this stage pledge to do the utmost best to bring security, safety and security to lives and properties across the country.
What are you assuring the nation?
On behalf of the service chiefs, I'm assuring the nation security, peace and security. We believe that there will be value that will be added to the security disposition of the nation.
All right, when I don't see how the man takes speech, give out the own speech, say go control the country, all those kind of stuff. Most what I go really do like that. In time to we still they watch them because you know every time they're going to give us say this one go happen, this one go happen. Boko Haram they not go fit fight. Common Boko Haram they not fit fight. Okay, see the Eastern Security Network where like say they give a security to the that is the south side. Now so the Nigerian army they go they attack them say this that and that. If we be say Buhari dey for real, person come out to support or to give out security to the states or the citizens, and then you they send army they go they attack them. Not be juju be that one now so. So guys, this our country and something like say we need to reform them, but most see how they be as from 2023 I don't know whether they go fit pull Buhari come out for the power or not. So anything you think about this video, may try to keep them for the comment section. Till next time again, we'll be together. I remain your boy Prince TV. Ciao.